ALUCOIL launches to the aluminium market its most innovative solutions. Experienced in the production of advanced material for building, transport and industry. Owns the most exacting homologations and quality certificates. Thanks to its strict sustainability and environment policies, a minimum mark in the environment is done by us. People are the base. Counting with a team full of culture, values, illusion and passion. To renew the illusion, ALUCOIL provides innovation, quality and future. As well as unique products, standing brands and made-to-measure guarantee for each project done.